5 reasons to buy a PlayStation instead of an Xbox 360. Cannot resolve which online game console to decide on? Deciding between the PlayStation 3, Nintendo Wii, and Xbox 360 could be a daunting activity. Whereas all three techniques are vastly superior to the final technology of online game consoles, they're additionally way more completely different from one another than ever earlier than. The PlayStation 3 has HD video and excessive high-quality sound. Each the Xbox 360 and Wii function off of older disc applied sciences, and the PlayStation 3 is the one gaming console that provides a Blu-ray high-definition disc drive. This provides the PS3 two distinct benefits: Blu-ray films and Blu-ray video games. Blu-ray discs additionally maintain extra information, so the PS3 requires fewer discs for video games. Most significantly, the PS3 helps 1080p video, upconverts common DVDs to look higher in your HD TV, and has an HDMI output port, which is important for the very best high-quality HD indicators. Together with the upper definition video comes high-quality sound as effectively. The PS3 is cheaper to personal. The sticker worth of the PS3 is roughly the identical because the Wii or Xbox 360, however not like the Xbox 360, the PS3 is an entire system. Take for instance the controllers. All three techniques include Wi-Fi controllers, however the PS3's DualShock 3 is the one which is rechargeable out of the field. Do you need to get online utilizing your Wi-Fi community? You want a Wi-Fi improved equipment with the Xbox 360. Wi-Fi networking is constructed into the PS3 and the Wii, however the Wii requires you to purchase their internet browser. Do you need to play games online? Each Xbox and PlayStation require a paid membership to enter online gameplay. Do you need to obtain new video games and video in your console? Whereas it is no drawback for the PS3, you could have to buy extra storage for some Xbox 360 and Wii consoles. The PS3 has nice video games. All three techniques have all kinds of video games, and most main American and European video games can be found for all three consoles. Nonetheless, the PlayStation 3 has the assist of Japanese builders and online boutique builders that the opposite two don't have. The Xbox 360 has Halo and the Wii has Mario, however the PS3 has equally good exclusives in Metal Gear Strong 4, God of Battle 3, Little Big Planet, and Gran Turismo 5. Additionally, think about the distinctive Japanese and indie titles that solely the PS3 will get. From Pixel Junk Monsters, Stream, Everyday Shooter, The Final Man, and Lokoroko Kokoretsucho, to software program that's extra like interactive artwork than video games, corresponding to Torimaki, Flower, and Linger in Shadows. There are merely odd and great issues that exist on the PS3 that may be discovered on the Xbox 360 and Wii. The PS3 has many multimedia and non-gaming options. The PlayStation 3 exhibits footage, performs movies, and it performs music you obtain from the online, have saved on a USB machine corresponding to a thumb drive, or stream from a PC. The Xbox 360 provides the identical, however solely the PS3 streams it to your PlayStation movable, remotely. This implies you may enter your media, together with Blu-ray discs, on the highway utilizing your PSP. The PS3 additionally helps Linux as an additional operating system, which makes the PS3 a great tool for a wide range of non-gaming functions. Online gaming is free and simple. All three techniques supply internet browsing and the power to buy video games online. Not like the opposite two techniques, online gaming on the PS3 is simple and free, with no additional charges or difficult good friend codes required. The PS3 additionally provides a novel and free digital world referred to as dwelling, the place you may chat, hang around, and play video games with different PS3 house owners. Very like the Xbox Community Achievement System, the PS3 has a trophies system, the place you earn awards as you play video games and might examine the way you've accomplished in opposition to different gamers. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.